Welcome to a home reimagined for art and hospitality. Built in the 1980s, it now features simplified interiors and a ground floor for gatherings, with guest rooms above. The owners expanded their cozy home into an artful retreat, simplifying its 1980s interiors to reflect early American style with arts and crafts touches. The main entrance, a welcoming back porch with Asiatic-inspired bamboo columns painted by Chuck Hettinger, leads to a foyer with a redesigned Georgian-style staircase, blending beauty and function with a decorative safety grille. Throughout the living room, a green marble fireplace reminiscent of designs by Sir Edwin Lutyens complements Italian chest of drawers, a giltwood mirror, and contemporary furnishings. The kitchen, inspired by Charles Rennie Mackintosh's 1916 design, leads to an octagonal breakfast room with a marmoleum circle inset into the floor. A late 19th century chandelier adds a touch of glamour. The dining room, used both for occasional large dinners and as an art gallery, showcases an antique Italian bench from Blackman Cruise serving as a sculpture pedestal. In the master bedroom, a Khautan and Tout tapestry provides a backdrop to a modern four-poster bed, flanked by Swedish bedside tables adorned with neoclassical motifs. The principal bath features a porthole shower view and the Mouth of Truth fountain head, while a hidden wardrobe passage reflects the owner's love of mythology and literature. Additional bedrooms include a nautical-themed Narnia room above the garage, a feather room with an arts and crafts bed, and a scarab room with printed linen curtains, a Fornasetti mirror, and a Victorian wicker bookcase. In the basement, a polygonal foundation of the breakfast room serves as a whimsical retreat, adorned with damask wallpaper and rich textiles, creating a fantastical escape adjoining a playroom. The ground floor now serves as a vibrant space for art display and entertaining, while upstairs, guest rooms await.